This is case number 508 on the calendar in the matter of Britton versus Simmons. Parties have been sworn in, Judge. You may be seated, ma'am. Have a seat, please.
Miss Britton, you've known the defendant a long time and you were friends. According to you, you claim a series of loans to him. He says that you did buy some Christmas gifts for him and for his children, but none of this was by way of a loan. It was all gifts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long have you known him?
About 10 years.
And when for the first time do you claim you gave him a loan?
In October of 2001.
Tell me about it.
Him and his friend had went out to a club and he was too intoxicated to drive. And his friend drove his car and they got pulled over. And his friend was on a restricted license and they towed his car. And he did not have the money to get the car out of tow, so I let him borrow.
So you weren't with him?
No.
He contacted you in some way. How did he contact you?
He called me the next day after it had happened.
And what did he say to you and what did you say to him?
He was just like, babe, my car got towed, and he was just going on and on. He was really upset.
He called you up and said, babe, my car got towed.
And told me the story of how he was too drunk to drive and his friend had drove the car. They got pulled over and could I come get him?
And where was he?
He was at his mother's house.
So did you go and pick him up at his mother's house?
I went and picked him up.
And where did you take him?
He dropped me off at my cousin's house. So I spent the day at my cousin's house and he came back and got me later.
So he took your car?
He took my car.
She willingly gave me the car.
It wasn't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I still didn't hear anything about money. What caused you to go and get the money?
He said, I do not have all of the money to get my car out of tow. He had about $100 and maybe $50. It was about $300 and something to get his car out. He said, can I borrow $200 until I get paid, which he got paid that Friday. So can he borrow the money until Friday to get his car out of tow?
And you said yes?
Yes.
Okay. When was the next loan you made to him?
Christmas time.
Tell me about that loan.
The loan came about when it was coming time for Christmas, and I knew he's a waiter. He does not make that much money.
Hold on, man. First.
And so he hadn't already paid me the other money. So in conversations, I would ask him about the money.
What happened when the 2 weeks went by? You said he was going to get paid in 2 weeks?
Okay.
You didn't get your money?
2 days after he got his car out of tow, his friend that he was with that got his car towed, his sister had got killed. And he basically watched this girl grow up. So he wasn't going to work. He was really, really depressed. He wasn't going to work because he was with his friend and his family. So at that point, I understood that he wasn't going to work to make any money to pay me back.
So what happened Christmas time?
So this whole time, me and him are dating. I'm around his kids and everything. So I'm asking him, you know, when is he going to start doing his Christmas shopping? I don't know. I don't have the money right now to go Christmas shopping. So I asked him, well, do you want us to just go on and go? And then when you get paid, you can just pay me when you get paid for whatever we get. Because Christmas time, you have kids. You do not want to wait till the last minute to go get their presents. By the time he was going to go.
Miss Britton, so you gave him your credit card and you went out?
No, I didn't give him my credit card.
So you gave him cash to go?
No, I went shopping for the kids.
You did?
I went shopping for the kids.